Are you curious about the miraculous benefits of apple cider vinegar for weight loss? Welcome to Marvelous Ways. In this video, we will delve into 7 incredible ways to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss, and you won't miss a single one. Before we begin, learn how to discover our secret formula for losing weight the natural way without dieting or exercising by visiting burnsap.com or click on the link below this video in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new here. And now, let's dive into the 7 tips in this video. The first on our list is apple cider vinegar drink. Prepare a simple apple cider vinegar drink by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. Sip this drink before meals to help reduce appetite and control overeating. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may also help regulate blood sugar levels, which can further support weight management. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar and lemon water. Boost the benefits of apple cider vinegar by adding freshly squeezed lemon juice to the drink. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can enhance your metabolism and aid in digestion. This combination creates a refreshing and flavorful drink that can be enjoyed throughout the day. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar salad dressing. Use apple cider vinegar as a base for healthy salad dressing. Mix it with extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, and your favorite herbs and spices. Drizzle this dressing over your salad to add flavor and support digestion, making your meals more enjoyable and satisfying. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar with honey. For a touch of natural sweetness, mix apple cider vinegar with raw honey. Honey is a healthier alternative to refined sugar and provides additional antioxidants. This mixture can be taken in the morning on an empty stomach or used to sweeten herbal teas. If you are still here, why don't you give us a thumbs up, like this video, and encourage the YouTube algorithm to suggest our videos to more weight loss viewers like yourself. What's your favorite tip so far? Comment below and let's continue with the rest. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar detox drink. Create a detoxifying drink by combining apple cider vinegar with water, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and a tablespoon of honey. The combination of ingredients can help cleanse your digestive system and boost your metabolism, aiding in weight loss. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar pre-workouts. Take advantage of apple cider vinegar's potential to boost energy and fat burning by using it as a pre-workout supplement. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar tea. Prepare a soothing apple cider vinegar tea by steeping a cinnamon stick in a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water. After a few minutes, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. This warming tea can help control cravings and promote feelings of fullness. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit the notification button. Check the other videos on our end screen now. They will surely help you in your weight loss journey. So, see you in the next video.